So you want to build a helmet for the apocalypse? Well, grab your gear. Let's build one.
Let's make stuff!
For this build, you will need all these quest items, so forage away, and don't forget your classic Let's Make Stuff template available free. I'll link down below. Remember to trace them out. Trace out one side, flip it over, trace out the other side. We're going to do the same with the side piece. And what you should end up with is 2 side pieces left and right, 2 middle pieces left and right. Heat them up, rough them up, chuck on some contact adhesive. We want that thing to be sticky. Slap them together. First the middle piece and the side pieces. Once you got that bad boy all together, it's time to work on the eyes. Now, we're going to trace it out, flip it over, trace it out the other side, cut them out. I'm going to grab myself some thicker foam for the eyepieces, because I'm down. Yes, I'm down with the thickness. Now remember, grind away those edges so they're nice and smooth. And do the same with the eye hole piece when you're happy with its position and size. Remember to use contact adhesive on both sides. Let it get tacky and chuck it in. Now we're going to cut out a nice size hole for the mask. Remembering to make it slightly smaller because you want that thing to be snug. You want it to be snug in there. Now we're going to work on the Mohawk mount. Cut out a nice thick bit of foam. We're going to grind it down, smooth it out. Cut ourselves out a Mohawk. We're going to grind it out, get it good smooth. It's time to cut a nice slot for that mount. Making sure it's roughly the thickness of the piece of foam you're going to use as the Mohawk. Slap on some contact adhesive. Once you've done that and it's all nice and dry, we're going to mount that to the top of the helmet with some hot glue. Hotty tot hot glue. Watch your fingers. Now it's time to cut out the mouthpiece, cover it in some Plastidip, and make it shiny and chrome. It's time to give it some touch-ups. I touched up this helmet for a while, and then once I was done with that, thought, let's work on the mask. So, covered up the air holes with some painter's tape, making sure the in and outer bits, or the bits you breathe in and out of, don't get any paint on them. I also didn't paint the inside. You want to keep that clean as well. Some nice touch-ups again. Touch up. Nothing but a fuss up. And here I am using the cutout piece we had before. Using that as a frame at the top there, just to make sure the mask sits nice and snug. Inside, chuck it in, make sure it sits nice and snug. Thank you very much, sir. Peel off that painter's tape. And I thought, you know what? Treat yourself. Go on, get a bit razzle-dazzle. Chuck on a little decal, that little bit of plastic in the middle there. There you go, looks lovely. Now it's time to chuck in some old aviator lenses, hot glue those bad boys in. And I've also slipped in a nice thin layer of red napkin. Give it a bit more colour. 1, 2, 3. Apocalypse helmet for me. Merry Christmas.
So there you go, your very own post-apocalyptic helmet, courtesy of Let's Make Stuff. Now, a couple of notes. I have attached duct tape to the inside to make sure that the mask is pressed firmly against the face. We want that firmly against the face or it won't work. And another note is here I've used 1 ply of red napkin and it doesn't seem to affect the breathing at all. I wore it yesterday and I was breathing easy and breathing clean. Yeah. Anyway, special shout out to Indie Gamer Magazine for giving me an interview and I loved it. Thank you very much. Check them out. Link in the description below. Also, next time on Let's Make Stuff, I'm going to make a shredder helmet. So be sure to subscribe and press like if you want to see that. I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching and I'll see you later.